Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to add my home address in Google Maps. So first, just simply go to Google Maps application. From here guys, just simply tap on the U at the bottom, at the middle. And from here, you should be able to see here multiple lists and just simply go for the labeled. So just simply tap on that. And from here guys, as you can see, you should be able to see here home and tap on set home. From here, guys, you will have two options. You can either choose on the map or use your current location by just simply opening your location into your phone. And after that, you should be able to set it up. But for me, I will go for choose on map. And from here, guys, you should be able to set your map on where is it located and make sure to be accurate and just simply select it and tap on save. And from there, you should be able to set it as your home. And when you go back on the top left, as you can see, it will be our home over here. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.